मेट्रोपॉलिटन पुलिस से मैं बस ये दरखास्त करके जाना चाहूंगा कि through this video briefing, I, as a member of MQM Central Coordination Committee, Hassan Bhatt, would like to urge the Metropolitan Police, United Kingdom, that please, for God's sake, do all the necessary arrangements. Do whatever you can do, and at least provide security to the founder and leader of the MQM, Mr. Altaf Hussain, who's residing in UK, and his life is under severe threat. If his people are being assassinated, executed, killed, martyred all around the world, think how much threat he is living under. He's a leader of millions of oppressed. We would like to urge, we want the United Kingdom Metropolitan Police, the Scotland Yard, the British Prime Minister, and all those who are hearing my plea, if you are at any position or you can bring any change, please protect the leader of millions, Mr. Altaf Hussain, and take all necessary arrangements. Thank you very much. आप तमाम साथियों का सुनने का बहुत शुक्रिया.